If you're looking for a way to boost your SEO research process, using Browse AI can make a massive difference. In this video, we'll dive into exactly how you can leverage Browse AI for SEO research and show you why it's quickly becoming a favorite tool for digital marketers. Stick around till the end because I'll also share an exclusive offer for a free extended trial that you won't want to miss. So let's get straight into it. Browse AI is an advanced web scraping tool that allows you to gather valuable data from websites without needing to write any code. If you're doing SEO research, this software can be a game changer, enabling you to extract all sorts of data from competitor websites, blog posts, and product pages in just a few clicks. This means you can quickly understand what keywords are working for your competitors and what strategies are driving traffic. You can start by simply entering the URL of the website you want to gather data from. Once you've done that, Browse AI lets you set up robots to extract specific information from any web page. This could be anything from headlines, meta descriptions, and keyword density to more complex data like backlinks and on-page content structure. Essentially, Browse AI saves you time by automating the research process. For SEO, this is huge. You can use Browse AI to analyze keyword usage across multiple pages, track search rankings for specific keywords, and even identify the best performing content from your competitors. It helps you spot gaps in your own content strategy so you can focus on areas that need improvement or discover new opportunities that were previously hidden. The beauty of Browse AI is how customizable it is. You can tailor your search to focus on the exact data you need to track your SEO progress or refine your content strategy. Want to monitor a page's performance over time? It can track that too. If you're monitoring multiple competitors or industries, Browse AI makes it easy to set up multiple bots, so you can keep tabs on several aspects of your SEO at once. What's really powerful here is that Browse AI doesn't just scrape data. It structures the data in a way that's easy to analyze. Once you have the information, it's organized neatly, so you don't have to sift through pages and pages of raw data. This organized data gives you insights into keyword trends, content strategies, and even backlink profiles, allowing you to improve your SEO strategy quickly and effectively. If you've been struggling to pull meaningful insights from the vast amount of data available on the web, Browse AI makes it a lot easier. Whether you're a beginner in SEO or a seasoned expert, this tool offers an efficient and user-friendly way to gather and analyze SEO-relevant data from any site. Now here's the best part. You can actually use Browse AI completely free from the first link below. But that's not all. I'm also offering you an exclusive bonus for an extended free trial, giving you extra time to test out all the features and see the full potential of Browse AI for your SEO research needs. So if you want to level up your SEO research game and gain a competitive edge, head to the link below and get started with your free trial of Browse AI right now. Don't wait too long. Start using Browse AI today to simplify and supercharge your SEO research.